Okay, now we're going to use properties 2 and 3 together to find the equation of the circle, okay? So we're given the tangent, we're given the point of contact, and we're given one other point on the circle. So find the equation of the circle which touches the line 3x minus 4y minus 3 equals 0 at this point A, and which passes through the point minus 2, 4. So I've just drawn a rough sketch of it, okay? If you bring this minus 4y over to get 4y equals 3x minus 3, so y is 3 over 4. I know the slope is positive, so I know that the tangent goes like this at the point 5, 3. Okay? Now, what we know is we have a chord here between these 2 points. Okay, so that's one chord. And we know that the perpendicular from the centre to the chord bisects the chord, so I know that the centre is on this perpendicular bisector, okay? Also, I know that the centre is on the perpendicular from the tangent at the point of contact. So I also know that the centre is on this line here, this perpendicular line here, okay? So I'm going to call this L again, and I'm going to call this M. I'm going to find this perpendicular bisector L, and I'm also going to find this perpendicular from the point of contact to the tangent N, okay? So to find L, it's the same as what we did. We know this point here is the midpoint of these two, then we can get the slope, and then we can get the perpendicular slope, okay? So equation of L, first we need the midpoint, and we'll call this A and this B. So the midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 over 2, and y1 plus y2 over 2. So it's 3 over 2 and 7 over 2. Okay, so that's my midpoint. Then I need to get the slope of AB. So that's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's minus 1 over 7. So then the perpendicular slope would be, turn that upside down, change the sign, 7. Now I can get the equation of this line L. Okay, so equation of a line is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1 using this slope and this point. So y minus 7 over 2 equals mx minus 3 over 2. Again, multiply everything by 2 to get rid of your fractions. So 2y minus 7 equals 14, x minus 3 over 2. 2y minus 7 equals 14x, and then minus 21, okay? And then just do xy equals number, because I know I'm going to get 2 equations and I want to do simultaneous with it. So I'm going to bring the numbers over there and the letters over here. So 14x minus 2y minus 7 plus 21 is 14. Okay, now I could divide everything here by 2 if I wanted. Let's just do that. 7 equals 7x minus y. Okay, because 2 goes into each of those. Now, I also need to find the equation of M. Okay, now I know the equation of this line is 3x minus 4y minus 3 equals 0. So the equation, I can get the slope from this. So the tangent is minus 4y equals minus 3x plus 3. So just get the y on its own. And then y is minus 3x over minus 4. So I know the slope is minus 3 over minus 4, which is 3 over 4. Okay, and therefore I can get the perpendicular slope, because I'm actually interested in this perpendicular, not the slope of this, it's the slope of M. So the perpendicular slope is going to be turned that upside down and change the sign, minus 4 over 3. Now I can get the equation of M, because I already have the slope, which I just found, and I have the point of contact 5, 3. So y minus y1 again, just your equation of a line formula. My slope is minus 4 over 3, and my point is 5, 3. So there's less work to do when they give you the tangent. So y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Bring that 3 up, and it comes outside a bracket. Minus 4 by x and minus 4 by minus 5 is plus 20. So 3y minus 9 is minus 4x plus 20. And again, just get your x's and y's on one side. minus 3y, and then that 20 comes over, becomes minus 20. Okay, now I'm going to do simultaneous equations with these two. So 7x minus y is 7, and minus 4x minus 3y is